Let's look at this question now. Rachna bought some kurtas of the same type and some lehengas of the same type from the shopping mall. Each piece of kurta costs 60% more than each piece of lehengas. While preparing the bill, the cashier swapped the number of kurtas and the number of lehengas. Due to this mistake, Rachna had to pay 20% more than the correct bill amount. Which of the following can be the total number of kurtas and lehengas bought by Rachna? Okay, so let me write the kurtas and lehengas separately. Now, it is given that each piece of kurta costs 60% more than each piece of lehenga. So rate per piece for kurta and lehenga would be, because kurta costs 60% more than each piece of lehenga. So the ratio of rates for these two would be, if each lehenga cost 5 units, then kurta cost 8 units, because it is 60% more than this, right? So the ratio of rates would be 8:5. Now, while preparing the bill, cashier swapped the number of kurtas and number of lehengas. So the quantity purchased, this is actual. I'm assuming that she bought X number of kurtas and Y number of lehengas, right? But the cashier swapped these numbers, right? So quantity that is incorrect, right? Which is mistakenly swapped by the cashier is Y and X lehengas, correct? So the total bill, I'm writing total bill has here, total bill, correct bill should have been, because 8 kurtas, I'm assuming that 8 unit kurtas were purchased. So the price of these 8 kurtas would have been 8x and 5 lehengas would have been 5y. So total bill should have been 8x plus 5y, right? But the incorrect bill came out to be 8y plus 5x, but 5x, and the relation between these two is given as Rachna had to pay 20% more, which means this amount is 20% more than this amount, correct? So this amount would be 6 by 5 times. 20% more is 6 by 5 times of this amount, that is 8x plus 5y. So from here, I would get the relation between x and y. Okay, so if I cross multiply, I get 40y plus 25x is equal to 48x plus 30y. If I take x to one side and y to other side, I get 10y is equal to 25, 48 minus 25, that is 23x. So the ratio of x upon y would be, 10 upon 23. So the quantity of kurtas bought would be a multiple of 10, and the quantity of lehengas bought would be a multiple of 23. Now we have to comment on the total number of kurtas and lehengas. Can you see? X would be a multiple of 10, Y would be a multiple of 23, X plus Y would be a multiple of 10 plus 23, that is 33. So in options, we have to search for a multiple of 33. 36 is not, 57 is not, yes, 66 is a multiple of 33 and 9 is not. So correct answer to this question would be option C.